Meet Janie. Janie wants to fly a kite on her upcoming vacation. But the problem was, Janie's mom didn't know how to fly a kite. Janie's mom reached out to her friends for help and discovered a new how-to marketplace dedicated to solutions, bitlively. bitlively is an app that connects learners who need instant advice or answers to experienced coaches who can teach them what they need to know. Janie's mom simply created a free profile, selected a coach based on ratings and reviews, and learned all she needed to know about flying a kite. And in no time, Janie was off and running. Instant advice. Stop wasting time on the little things. bitlively.